Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai business visas. We're specifically discussing the difference between initially entering on a Thai business visa, entering Thailand on a Thai business visa, and extending status in Thailand. So a couple of background notes to keep in mind. A Thai business visa, especially for somebody who's setting up a new operation here in Thailand, or somebody who's coming to Thailand for the first time to work, or starting a new job, you're going to probably have to get that business visa issued by a Thai embassy or consulate abroad and then come into Thailand. Now, generally speaking, the Thai embassy or consulate is going to issue what's called a single entry Thai business visa. This means that visa is valid for a single entry to Thailand. It's going to grant 90 days of lawful status in business visa status once here in Thailand. Once in Thailand, in business visa status, that business visa status can be utilized as a platform to go ahead and get a work permit in Thailand. So again, there's a lot going on in that initial 90 days that may have to do with later business visa status as well as one's status while you're just stuck in that 90-day period. A kind of a side note here, in the past, and maybe in the future, but I highly kind of doubt it, there used to be what were called one-year multiple entry Thai business visas, which were issued abroad. They had a one-year validity, and every entry granted 90 days of status. I myself had one of these when I first came to Thailand. I got my first work permit while in that status, and then I went over to an extension later, and I'll get to extensions in a moment. But the thing to understand is, when you come in on a Thai business visa, you're coming in for a 90-day stint, and then you're going to have to either deal with work permit status and extension status, or you're going to need to leave and get another business visa before coming back. So again, it depends on your circumstances. Now, when it comes to extension, there is a phone book worth of documentation. I'm not even kidding. The documentation is like this thick associated with extending business visa status here in Thailand. So something to keep in mind with respect to that is, again, if you're setting up an SME, you're going to be dealing with your own corporate documentation, or you're going to have a service or a firm dealing with that on your behalf. Accounting documentation is a big part of the extension process. So all of this kind of comes into play when you're dealing with extension. But the thing to really take away from this video is those who come into Thailand on an initial business visa are going to only be able to have 90 days of status from the outset. They're going to need to extend their status once they arrive in the Kingdom of Thailand.